problem with your heart. I'm going to go get the doctor, okay?
Okay.
Doctor.
What's the problem with my heart?
I don't know. It sounds like there's a horse in her chest. Okay. Let me see what this is, because I highly doubt there's a horse in your chest.
Okay.
Okay. No need to worry. It's not a horse in your chest. It's just a gallop. What's a gallop?
A gallop is an extra heartbeat that comes either before the S1 or after the S2.
And this is a gallop.